here like a trademark here. Now, trademark is what exactly? We have just seen here the names like Tata, OU, Mahindra, right? So, what exactly we are talking about? If I say one word Tata, if I say one word OU, if I say Ola, something comes in your mind. So, what exactly? You either remember the products or you remember the services of that organization which is offering. Now, this particular thing is differentiating like one service provider or one organization which is giving a product with the other organization, right. So, for example, I can have a mobile of a Samsung or I can have a mobile of a Apple. So, Apple or a Samsung, these are the trademarks. So, one name which is giving a pretty well idea about that particular organization. Okay.